Meet the Hot Drop. Installed in minutes, the Hot Drop provides actionable, insightful energy monitoring. With just a click of the latch, you've installed the Hot Drop. Its non-invasive install requires no batteries or wires, and the Hot Drop works within any electrical infrastructure. The Hot Drop powers itself from the magnetic field of the wire it is monitoring, and its long-range data transmission exceeds any industry standard. With dual cipher encryption to protect your data. Made with UL's highest rated plastics and components, the Hot Drop is able to operate at more than 185 degrees and below -40 degrees Fahrenheit. For additional reliability, the device regularly transmits internal diagnostics, confirming the accuracy of its data. The Hot Drop confidently provides customers energy data that matters most.